the historic land of Jhansi, which witnessed the exuberance and valiance of the brave Bundelas and their culture. A land that underwent timeless changes, only to emerge as a disorderly chaos of a city. A lifestyle erratic in planning and irregular in design. Emami Realty, a pioneer in the real estate world, recreates the magic and magnificence. Emami Nature. Boasting of excellent connectivity via rail and road and close proximity to the proposed airport and architectural marvels of the past, with world-class hospitals, schools, banks and restaurants to vibrant marketplaces and near the BHEL Township. Cradled on the banks of the river Ghurai, away from the cacophony and chaos of the city, Emami Nature, Jhansi's largest and biggest integrated township, planned and developed to the utmost perfection. An ethereal abode forged to perfection. Get ready to experience life unlimited in the midst of nature and immaculate architecture. Step into modern-day paradise amidst wide tree-laden roads spread across massive 100 acres of land with a mesmerizing expanse of greens under the brilliant blue sky. Offering 3 types of villas and developed plots with an international architectural design and magnificent surroundings. Splendid creativity while crafting your home with elegance and bespoke finesse. It is not just living, but a resort-style lifestyle living. With 20 acres of garden space spread, indulge in games and activities with your family in the expansive Central Park and recreational areas. The Senior Citizen Sit-Outs offers relaxation and recreational activities for your ever-growing young seniors. Developed plots ranging from 3,000 square feet to 15,000 square feet approximately are just like huge blank canvases waiting for you to design your dream home on. Keep your spirits high by leveling up the game at the cricket, soccer, volleyball or the badminton area. Indulge in games and multiple refreshing walks on the opulent riverside promenade under the stars. The riverside harbors multiple activity zones and also a variety of shopping kiosks and entertainment zones to help you combat the mundane. The township boasts of open yoga and meditation zones, acupressure walks and eco parks, and an open gymnasium. Dazzle your senses and engage in hours of fun at the one-of-a-kind exclusive clubhouse, one of the largest in Jhansi. Having the perfect blend of rejuvenation and entertainment facilities, catering to every possible need, such as a swimming pool, an inexhaustible library, a state-of-the-art gym, a delectable cafeteria and restaurant bar, AV room, banquet hall to keep you entertained. The commercial space shall take care of your shopping and daily needs, which shall be amply stocked. The township has spaces to house schools and Anganwadis for your little ones. Emami Nature is an alluring abode, creating the ultimate residential lifestyle, where living is unlimited, carefree and comfortable, and being one with nature is a way of life. Emami Realty, a name you can trust, a pioneer in real estate, a strong foundation of committing to and delivering quality homes that last a lifetime.